As we've defined it before, energy is the ability to do work or cause change. This semester we're looking at two different types of energy. The first is potential energy, or energy from an object's position relative to others. Specifically, we're looking at gravitational potential energy, which is related to the object's height above the surface of the Earth and gives the object the ability to cause movement. The potted plant has potential energy. If you were to remove the hooks, the object would be in motion falling down. Our next type of energy is kinetic energy, or the energy of motion. Here we see someone running. An object that's moving has kinetic energy. The unit for energy is the joule. The joule is also known as a kilogram meter squared per second squared. Using the equations, we can also understand energy mathematically. Here's an example of a gravitational potential energy problem, and here's an example of a kinetic energy problem. One of the key things we talk about with energy is conservation of energy. This is the idea that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. This could be kinetic energy transformed into potential energy, or we could see potential energy transformed into kinetic energy. The orange on this tree initially just has potential energy. When it's cut, that potential energy converts into energy of motion or kinetic energy. Here we can see the orange changing energy as it falls off the tree. The key idea with conservation of energy is even though the energy is changing over time, the total energy remains the same.